Anna. Firstly, it's lovely to see you all again. Just wanted to update you, whilst you've been off, IT have updated Citrix, and you may have heard about this coming. This is the update from Windows 7 to Windows 10. It does look a little bit different, but I wanted just to take this opportunity whilst we have everybody on the call, just to show you some key differences, because it's not actually as scary as it looks. I'm just going to share my screen with you, so you're able to see what I can. Is that good for everyone? Yeah, perfect, thank you. So accessing Citrix as normal through one login on Citrix, you will notice that this item has changed from Windows 7 to Windows 10. And this is what your new desktop will look like. I do know that there are 20 or so people on phone who won't be able to see this, but we will make this recording available after this call and publish that accordingly. So it does look a little bit different. The main functionality is the same. They have taken the opportunity to change a lot of colors, layouts, etc., which can be quite daunting, but please be rest assured it is nearly the same as Windows 7. The main differences are the start menu will look a little bit different. So these are your normal applications, and here you have just common applications and then Office applications. This is just to make navigating the system a little bit easier for you. Down the side, you have your user icon, which will allow you to change any settings regarding your account, lock and sign out as normal. You've then got this little page which will take you to documents, photos and settings regarding your PC, which you shouldn't really need to use. So that's that. The other items that are along the bottom here, so we've got Internet Explorer as normal, which I know that you'll be used to using. They have actually brought out a new version, which is Microsoft Edge, but it is the same as Windows, Internet Explorer, so you don't need to worry about that. Accessing files, it's just in this folder here. And you'll have a shortcut down the side here to any other files which you may have. So, for example, if we click on this PC, which is the new My Computer, this will then allow you to see items such as your shared network drive and the shared drive here, which is obviously where you are able to access the Shop Manager shared drive. Now, to access that, I've obviously had to go through Shared, Oxted, and then Shop Manager shared folder. If it helps, you can right-click this item and click Send to, and then Desktop, which will then create a shortcut for you on your desktop. And you can see just behind, it's now on my home page. So that may help and just shorten those steps for you. One of my favorite features of Windows 10 is this search function. So if you can't find anything within Windows 10, simply click here and type, for example, Word for Microsoft Word. And the second you click that, Word will then open. And you can use this to search for any applications, files, and you can even type something in and then choose Search on Web, and it will then open a web page and search Google for you. So this is a really, really powerful tool, and I would obviously advise if you are ever stuck, just search for what you're looking for, and hopefully that will then pop up. So that's kind of the main differences between Windows 7 and Windows 10. Two things I just wanted to mention, obviously, because you may not have used Citrix for quite a long time. Your password either may have expired or IT may have reset it, in which case you just need to ring the IT service desk and ask for a password reset. And if you are ever having issues with Citrix, I just want to show you about this feature. So if this is failing to load for any reason, if you click on Details and then Restart, this will then reboot your version of Citrix. Just one thing about that is just to make sure that you've saved any work possible before doing so, because it will reboot the machine and any unsafe work will then be lost. But that's a really good tool if it's not behaving as it should be. That's everything from me for today, keeping it brief obviously because of time. If there are any questions, please feel free to call or email, but we can get those sorted for you.